Hey everyone, I've had a couple people ask about the first question and how to do it. So I'm going to go through part A just so that we have somewhere to go from. Okay, so for each of these graphs, find the equation of the line K. So in this question, the line K is that orange line. So to find the equation of the line K, what we need to do is we need to use the points that are on that line. So one of the points is this one here. I'm going to do this in red actually. Is here. So this is our A, 4 minus 1. And we're going to use this point as well. You can use B as well. That's totally fine. I'm going to use this one of 6 minus 6. Okay, and to find the equation of this line, we use this formula. Y minus y1 equals m outside of x minus x1. Okay, where our gradient, m, equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so with our y2s, x2s, y1s, x1s, we need to label it here. Okay, so I'm going to use blue. This is our x1, this is our y1, this is our x2, this is our y2. Okay, so we need to substitute those into the gradient first. So it's going to be m equals y2, which is negative 6, minus y1, which is minus 1, over x2, which is 6, minus x1, which is 4. Okay, so these two minuses become plus. So this is going to be 6 plus 1, which is minus 5, over 6 minus 4, which is 2. So our gradient is going to be negative 5 over 2. Now, coming back to this equation here, we've got y minus y1 equals m, which is now negative 5 over 2, outside of x minus x1. So let's substitute those values in. So y minus y1, which is negative 1, equals m, negative 5 over 2, outside of x minus x1, which is 4. Okay, now let's put it into standard form, okay, because our answers are actually in standard form, so let's do that. So this is going to be y plus 1 equals negative 5 over 2 outside of x minus 4. Let's expand this. This is going to be y plus 1 equals negative 5 over 2 x plus 20 over 2. 20 over 2 is 10 plus negative 5 over 2 x 1 plus y. Okay, just going to move over here. I'll make it smaller later. Okay, so let's minus 10 on both sides. You've got y minus 9 equals negative 5 over 2x. Let's bring that over. So we've got positive 5 over 2x plus y minus 9 equals 0. And now to put it into standard form, we don't really want this fraction here. So we're going to times every term by 2. And so that we can get 5x plus 2y minus 18 equals 0. Okay, and this is our final answer here. I'll just quickly check that that's all correct according to the solutions that I've given you guys. And then I will end this video. Yep, that's exactly what it is in the solutions. Okay, so you do the same sort of process for line L using these 2 points. Okay, so same process. Then for the coordinates of the point B. The coordinates of point B is just a y-intercept. So our x will be 0. And then we've got to substitute 0 into that equation for that line k. Okay, so substitute x equals 0. We've got 5 outside of 0 plus 2y minus 18 equals 0. This is 0, so that goes away. Then we've got to solve this equation here for y. So plus 18 on both sides and divide by 2, that equals 9. So this point here is 0, 9. And you would do the same thing for C, and then you've got to find the area of the triangle ABCD. So to find the area of a triangle, we need a half times base times height. Okay, where our base is the distance between B and C. So find the distance between BC. And then we need to find the height. Okay, so we need to find this distance here. And when it hits the y-axis, that point is going to be 0 on the x. And our y value will be -1. Okay, so we need to find that distance and times that here. Okay, so to find the distance, we need to use the distance formula and keep going. So continue from here by using the distance formula. Okay, see how you go from there. If you still have questions, I'll further this video. Otherwise, have a crack at it yourselves. Good luck.